The product analysis present top 3 best Type-C fast charging cable on the market this year based on price, performance and situation. After long hours on research, I made this video. So if you are interested in finding out best product at low prices, then this video will help you find it and making your decision easier. So be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the best choice Ugreen Quick Charge 4-point USB-C fast charger cable. Specification: brand name Ugreen, length Type-C cable 50mm, 1mm, 1.5mm, surface material PVC, feature allow connector. Key feature: support PD flash charging, max 3A charging speed at max 60 watt output, 130-minute full charge for NIN and to switch, USB 3.1 high speed data transfer, Ultra HD 4K and 60 high quality video output. Total rating 4.9 out of 5. Total reviews 1900 plus. Total order 3000 plus at the time video publishing. Regular price US $5.86 to $19.99. Discount price US $4.69 to $15.99. The second product on our list is the premium price Baseus 5A USB Type-C fast charging charger. Specification: brand name Baseus, maximum current 5A, surface material nylon, function data transmission and fast charging charge. Key feature 40 watt flash charge. Upgrade smart chip, not hurting. Charging and transmission 2-in-1. All Type-C interface charging port mobile. Velcro strap make it easy to store. Total rating 4.9 out of 5. Total reviews 1100 plus. Total order 1900 plus at the time video publishing. Regular price US $6.53 to $9.07. Discount price US $3.59 to $4.99. The third product on our list is the best value Cafele 3-in-1 fast charging USB-C cable. Brand name Cafele. Connector B lighting, maximum length 120 cm, maximum load current DC 3A. Key feature: 3-in-1 style multiple function, eliminate travels of charging phones, contrast ratio of 2000.1 and 16.10, enable to get charges at the same time. Best partner for traveling, easy to carry. Total rating 4.9 out of 5. Total reviews 1400 plus. Total order 2300 plus at the time video publishing. Regular price US $7.13. Discount price US $4.85. Alright guys, that is all for this video now. So make your decision which one would you like to buy. And if you enjoy this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you are new to the channel and you like this video, consider subscribe this channel, because we do our best to keep you up to date with the best product on the market right now. Be sure to check out the description for links to find out the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.